Hi, this is Trish Gore, and I am just videotaping this beautiful contemporary property on Fanfol Drive in the highly desirable Phoenix Mountain Preserve area. This beautifully inspired by Frank Lloyd Wright design home could be yours for $1.87. You can see this is the entryway that leads into the dining area. There are stairs up to the loft, which we'll see later, and their front room. Let's head down to the back bedrooms. You can see the stunning backyard, great for entertaining. Stylish powder room. Laundry room. Bedroom with large walk-in closet. Another bedroom with, again, a large walk-in closet. Full bathroom. Owner's suite with vaulted ceilings and beautiful views to the backyard. A private sitting area. Huge walk-in master closet and huge owner's suite bathroom. Stunning views of the backyard and the mountains surrounding the property. The beginning of the family area. Leads out into the kitchen, and again, just stunning views of the backyard and the surrounding mountains. Tons of natural light, and as you can see, a great entertainment space. And here you can see the loft above, again with the high vaulted ceilings. As we go down the hallway, there's stairs that lead down to a finished basement. This space can be used for so many different things. It can be a great hangout for kids. You do homework, watch movies. This area at the bottom of the stairs could be used as a wine room. And right now it could be used to wash a big dog in that sink. Lots of space down here, built-in desk, built-in cupboards here for entertaining, mini fridge, the built-in desk area, and again, powder and bath here. As we go up the stairs, there is also a beautiful front room with stunning views of the mountains and the city. Built-in fireplace. And as we come back around to the entrance, we go up to the loft. The flow of this house is incredible. Very open and inviting. Great for entertaining. A beautiful balcony off the back of the loft. And again, gorgeous views of the mountains. Sunsets in the evening are stunning from up here. And as you go back in to the loft, there are 3 balconies off this loft, all with stunning views. This with the most spectacular views. The views of the McDowell Mountains and the city. It's a great place to see the fireworks. It's a great corner lot. Once in a while a car will go by, but otherwise it's very quiet. But yet you are still in a centralized location, just a few blocks off of Shea, and about 6 minutes from the 51, and about 10 minutes from the 101. So it's a great location because it's so centrally located to absolutely everything. As we go back to the kitchen, there's multiple doors along the hallway. You can go out to the backyard. I'll take you out this one though, since it's closest to the pool. And you can see the stunning backyard, which is great for entertaining. There's a detached guest house with its own garage and separate entrance, which is great for an elderly parent that might be wanting to live nearby but have their independence, or also for your guests that will be visiting, or perhaps a child who has just finished schooling and preparing to start their career but not quite ready to be totally on their own yet. The sitting room off of the master. This area is great for entertaining. Built-in bar, barbecue, fridge, built-in fireplace with seating. It's a great space for entertaining. Next stop is the guest house. See you in a minute.